Bayti Real Estate is delighted to present this ready-to-move-in office space in the CEO building located in Dubai Investment Park. At 942 square foot, this office comes as unfurnished, situated on a high floor with shared pantry and toilets, Dewa and Chiller exclusive. With one parking space, the complex consists of one commercial building with 7 floors, the ground floor consisting of mixed retail spaces, parking space for employees and free on-street parking for visitors. The complex offers a variety of offices with excellent facilities to ensure a comfortable working environment. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.